Have you found a Mainstack storefront and you're ready to purchase a product or service you love? Follow these quick, simple steps to make your purchase. Select the product you want to purchase. Click on Proceed to Pay or the Purchase CTA button. If you have a coupon code, input it in the field. If not, proceed to fill out the checkout form. Choose your payment method. Input your card information. Click Proceed to Pay. Seamlessly done. You have successfully made a purchase. Do you want to make the purchase in a different currency? That's easy. Click on the currency switcher in the top right corner. On the drop-down, select your preferred currency and proceed to make your purchase. Currently, we support payments via card, wallet payment, mobile money, direct bank payment, bank transfer, USSD, OPay, Pay Attitude, and Visa QR. Whatever your payment method is, we've got you covered.